Importantly, the US currency found solid support from strong macroeconomic data. The market-moving event today is testimony by Jerome Powell before the House of Financial Services Committee. Dollar bulls are anticipating remarks on resilience of the US economy despite the coronavirus threat. The US dollar is developing a steady rally. Its index surpassed 98.3, the highest level since November, aiming to test 99 points. The greenback short-term trend will depend on the rhetoric in Jerome Powell's two-day testimony before Congress. As expected, the Fed's chairman spoke on the US economy's exposure to the coronavirus risks. Judging by his confident tone, the national economy has been on a sound footing despite external headwinds, including the threat from China. Nevertheless, the policymaker warned about uncertainty in the long-term outlook. The US dollar index has appreciated by over 2% since early January. The US currency also received a boost from the growing likelihood that Donald Trump will be re-elected for a second term. The odds of his victory are higher than originally expected. At the same time, traders cannot rule out the scenario of his failure, so they rely on the yen to hedge against risks. Meanwhile, the Canadian dollar gained ground a bit in light of upbeat data on the labour market. On the whole, economic data from Canada has not changed market sentiment on the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair. Today, the loonie took advantage of the US dollar's weakness in the New York trade. The US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair retreated from 1.3300, but the pair is trading not far from this level. To sum up, demand for the US dollar remains buoyant. The greenback surged to a 4-month high against the euro as traders are encouraged by the first testimony of Jerome Powell today. Under the current economic conditions, the Fed's leader does not see the reason to fine-tune interest rates. Besides, the US dollar asserts strength because of its safe haven status. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.